everyone, I'm here at Kickapoo. We're going to try Crazy Cash. There's our Grand Major Maxi Minor. I'm gonna put in $100 and let's see what we can get. 1 cent denomination. I'm gonna play the gold right here. And the max bet's $3.40, so I'll play between $2.72 and $3.40. You need 6 of these or 3 of the free games. Let's see if we win anything. I'll take more free games. Last spin. Boo, $12. Let's try $3.40. Nothing, $14. Ugh. Let's try max bet at $3.40. $2.80. I just got here, literally. This is the first game for the day, so hopefully I can win something to play the rest of the time and not have to go to the ATM machine. I'm gonna go back to the $2.72 and let's see. Come on. Boo. I'm gonna change it to the green, and the max bet on this one is $2.40. So let's see if this is better. See if this one's better. Come on. 5 more spins. Two more. nice. The minors are $50. So let's see if we can get some more. If we get the full screen, it's double. Everything is double. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go with the right. 3 spins. More chances. Let's see. Come on. One more. Not bad. $127 on a $2.40 bet. I'll take it. $140. That's pretty good. We get it back to back. Oh. I'm gonna go back to the golds, and max bet is $3.40. So let's try it on here. Play down to 150, and then I'll cash out and try something else. $2.72. Okay, I'm going to cash out here. This is Crazy Cash Hung Bao. Okay, I am at the Lightning Links. Max out major of 1,000. I'm going to try the high stakes version. I put $220 in, and let's see what we can get. I'm gonna try 10-cent denomination, and let's do a $5 bet. Nice, 46 bucks, good start. So you need 6 of these or 3 of the suitcases. Sorry, I'm adjusting my camera, guys. Let's try $1, $5 bets to see what we do with that one. Oh, 2 more. Come on. Oh, that would have been nice. Ugh, nothing on this machine. Let's try 1 cent. Max bet's $5, so let's see how it does on that one. So this is 500, 250, $5, and $50 because it's a 1 cent denomination. That would have been a very nice hit. It's just teasing. Come on. Don't be chintzy. Get some spins. Come on, come on, come on, come on. $39. Ah, there we go. So 1 cent, $5. This should give us some free spins. Six free spins. Half our money back. $24. I want the chips though. Try back at the 10 cent and let's do the $5 denomination again. Come on. Thought. Alright, let's try 5 cent. Let's do a $3.75 bet. And when you change it, by the way, the only thing that changes is the minor and the minis. So now at 5 cent it's $50 and $2.50. On 10 cent it's $100 and $500 on the minor. And I'll show y'all when it's at the 20 and the 1 cent. $3. Let's try $6.25 on the 5 cent denomination. totally could use a minor right now. $22.50 keeps us in the game. Another suitcase would have been nice on that one. $41, nice. Let's try 2 cent, and those are the mini and the minors. Major and the grand stay the same. And let's do a $5 bet. The highest bet on a $2 denomination is $10. So nice. Come on.